Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, remove the 2 air scoop bolts. Remove the wire around the stock airbox and disconnect the sensor. Use a small flathead or a pick to remove the plastic cover from the factory wires. This is hard to see, but it is very straightforward. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the sensor. Loosen the hose clamps. Ours has our inlet pipe kit on, but installation is the same. Unclip the top portion of the stock airbox and remove it. Remove the stock airbox scoop. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, loosen the airbox bolt. Next, remove the ECU bolts to give yourself some more room. You do not need to completely remove it. With the extra room, remove the lower portion of the stock airbox. It is held only by a bolt and a rubber grommet on the bottom. Loosen the other hose clamp after evap sensor. We have a different clamp on, but yours should be removed in similar fashion. Use a T30 Torx to remove the sensor. Using pliers, disconnect the hoses from the sensor. Insert the carbon fiber pipe into the airbox at the same time as the filter. Use a 2mm Allen key to install the lid. Lubricate the hose to aid in installation. Install the evap sensor gasket. Install new carbon intake box. Remove garments from top portion of stock airbox and install on new airbox. Use a 10mm socket and tighten down the bolt. Reinstall the air scoop bolts. Tighten all the hose clamps. We ran the stock wiring harness underneath the new intake. Plug it back in and tighten down the sensor. Using pliers, reinstall the hoses to the evap sensor. Use a screwdriver and tighten down the air filter clamp. Double check everything is installed properly and your installation is finished.